Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I'm going to explain how to upload the documents in TCS Ion portal. After getting the joining letter from TCS, before your induction day, you need to upload some documents in TCS Ion portal. In the first connect session, they will tell you when the Ion portal will be activated for you and before which date you need to upload all the documents. So don't miss the first connect session. You will get all the updates from that session only. And after activating the Ion portal, you need to upload all the documents which are needed. And guys, don't do any mistakes while uploading these documents in TCS Ion portal, because any one of these documents got rejected, then your joining date will be rescheduled. So don't make any mistakes and don't skip the video. Definitely by the end of this video, you'll get some idea about how to upload all the documents in Ion portal. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Now let's get into the video. And to upload all these documents, first you need to log into Xplore.tcs portal, and I'll give you the link for this portal in the description. You can go through that link, and you can also get this link in the mail from TCS. You can go through that also. When you click on that link, or maybe you search for Explore.tcs, then you will get the page like this. This is the TCS careers page. You will get the home page like this, and if you scroll down a little bit, then you will get these two options. Like there are two profiles like student and TCS. First, you are not a TCSer yet, so you need to log into student profile, and when you click on student profile, you will get the pop-up like this, and here they are saying that we are taking you to another website now. If you click on OK, then you will be redirected to TCS Next Step portal, and here you need to enter your CTDT reference ID and your password, or you can enter your mail ID and password. When you click on login, then you will be redirected to TCS Ion portal. Here in this portal, you can see there are some tabs. If you scroll down a little, then you will get a tab like TCS Virtual Onboarding with your date of joining. And when you click on the tab, you will get two options like this: courses and communities. And first, let's see about community. When you click on community, you will get launch button here. If you click on launch, you will get the community page like this. Here they will add you in this community whenever your first connect session is over. Then if you have any doubts, you can ask here in this community, or if any important information is there, then they will post that information in this community only. For that communication, they will use this community. And if you open the courses tab, then you will get the page like this. Here on the left side, a table of contents, you can see joining documents. You also have TCS induction day 1 activities and vaccination survey, but they were not activated yet. The activated thing is only joining documents. Just click on that plus icon. When you open joining documents here, you can see in the left side there are documents which you need to upload in this portal, like undertaking upload folder, candidate offer letter, service agreement, and onboarding forms. And same way, you can see in the right top corner there is a slider which is in my case it is already completed 20%, and it should be completed as 100% before you are joining only. Then only you will get the induction mail. And now I will tell you how to complete that slider as 100%. Now let's see how to upload all these documents one by one. But before uploading all these documents, you need to rename your documents. You need to follow a convention, naming convention. I will tell you what is the name format to be followed. You can see here for undertaking, you need to rename it as undertaking underscore your reference ID underscore your name. Reference ID means your CTDT reference ID. And same for service agreement, capital SA underscore your reference ID underscore your name. For onboarding forms, OBF underscore your reference ID underscore your name. For offer letter, OL underscore your reference ID underscore your name. You need to follow this naming convention and then start uploading. Here the first documents you need to upload is undertaking form. When you click on undertaking upload folder, you will get like this. Here you can see there are only 3 attempts available. It means you need to get it approved in 3 attempts only. And to upload this undertaking form, you need to click on launch assignment. And when you click on that launch assignment button, you will get the window like this. And in this window you can see some instructions are given to upload the document. And here is the mandatory field. You can see here, just click on select file, and you can select the appropriate document and click on submit. And after submitting, you can come back to the main page. Here you can see that attempts are changed, like you have only 2 more attempts because you have attempted one time, right? And the status is like submitted for evaluation. It means it is submitted for evaluation. And you can track your document status from this view result status link. If you click on that link, then you will get the window like this. And on right side you can see that it is status is like submitted for evaluation. And if it is approved, then it will be like approved, and if it is rejected, then the status will be like rejected. And after that you can come back to main page. And you can download this undertaking form from joining Elixir, which you get through your mail. And it look like this. And in the name field you should write your full name, and in the second field you should write your CTDT reference number, and in the third field you can write your joining date. And at the below of this form you need to sign, give your signature, and you should write your name and the date of sign. You can mention the date when you are uploading this form in the IAN portal in the date of signing field. And the next document here is candidate offer letter. In this, when you click on this candidate offer letter, you will get a sample like this. And on the right top corner you can see as completed here, but in your case it will be like mark as read. When you click on that mark as read, then the slider will fill up to 20% or 25%. You need to click on that, it is mandatory. And after clicking on that, you need to go forward. Just click on that arrow button beside completed, or you can click on offer letter upload in the left side. Anything you can do. Then you will get the window like this. In this offer letter case, you can see that we have 5 attempts to get it approved. Not like undertaking form. Here we have 5 attempts. And to upload this, we need to click on same launch assignment. After we clicking on that launch assignment, we will get the page like this. Here also same like undertaking form, you need to select the file of your offer letter, but don't forget to follow the naming convention, and just click on submit. After submitting this, you can come back to main page, and here you can see the status is like submitted for evaluation. And if you click on view result status, then you will get the page like this. Here also same like undertaking form. If it is approved, then it will be like approved. If it is rejected, then it will be like rejected. You can see the status of your document here, and you can go back now. And the next documents we need to submit here is service agreement. When you click on service agreement upload, then you will get like this. Here we can see we have 5 attempts to get it approved, this service agreement. And when you click on that launch assignment button, you will get the page like this. And in this window they have mentioned some instructions how to prepare the service agreement, what are need to be attested, and what you need to attach to that service agreement. And you can upload the same in this select file link. And after that you can submit. The status should be like submitted for evaluation. And the last one is onboarding forms. When you click on onboarding documents upload, then you will get page like this. Here in this case also we have 5 attempts available. And when you click on launch assignment, we will get the window like this. Here we need to select the file, and make sure that the file should be renamed as per naming convention. And after selecting the file, we need to click on submit. And when we come back to the main page, we should make sure that the status should be submitted for evaluation. It should not be like in progress. And when you click on that view result status, then it should be like submitted for evaluation status only. In middle of all these documents, we also have declaration kit, but it is not activated yet. It will be activated on your induction day only. and they will instruct you how to upload that declaration kit on that induction day only. If you scan all these documents and upload them properly, then the work from your side said to be done. The thing is, they should get approved. After approval of all these documents, then your slider on the right top corner will be like 100%. You should make sure that it should be 100% before your joining only. If not, then your joining date will get rescheduled. Okay guys, hope you got some idea about how to upload all these documents in TCS Xplore portal. And thank you for watching the video guys. If you feel the video useful for you, then please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more information.